welcome back to my channel. This is Alicia's Kitchen. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my Jamaican salt mackerel / salt fish fritter. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also to turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. Now, let us cook. So guys, here I have my fish. I will be using salt mackerel instead of salt fish because my preference is salt mackerel. If you guys have salt fish, otherwise known as cod, you guys can go ahead and use that. So what I did was I washed the excess salt from it. Now I'm going to be boiling it for 10 to 15 minutes. Now after your fish has boiled, you're going to run it under cold water and then you're going to peel it and debone it. Now guys, in a mixing bowl I have my flour. Now I'm going to be adding green bell pepper, red bell pepper, and tomatoes. I'm also going to be adding red onions and green onions. If you guys have scallion, you guys can go ahead and use scallion as well. Now I'm adding my flaked salt mackerel, and I'm just going to incorporate all the ingredients together. Now guys, I'm going to be adding my milk. I like to go ahead and substitute milk instead of the water. I'm also going to be changing the bowl because what I realized was the bowl was too small. So I'm just going to change it to a bigger bowl. So now for additional flavor, I'm using garlic powder and onion powder. These ingredients are optional. Now guys, you just want to mix all that together until your batter is smooth but not too runny, okay? Now guys, in a skillet on medium heat, I'm going to be adding my oil and I'm using corn oil. Now I'm going to allow that to heat, then I'm going to add my batter. Now I'm going to fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes on, as I mentioned, medium heat because you don't want it to burn. Now I'm going to be flipping my fritter, guys. And if you don't like the color, if you realize that you want it to be a bit brown, you guys can just leave it for another couple seconds or so. And you're just going to repeat the process, guys. Now you're going to place your fritter on paper towel just to absorb the excess oil. And guys, when I tell you these were absolutely amazing, I went ahead and I had mine with some tin mackerel. It was just amazing. I do hope you guys enjoy the video, even though it was pretty simple. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you like it. Comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.